Elon Musk creates the National Institute for Government Grants and Employment Regulation. After a long and steamy one-on-one meeting with President Trump, Musk announced the new name for DOGE. Following President Trump's inauguration, Elon Musk announced that he and Trump were renaming the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, to the National Institute of Government Grants and Employment Regulation. When asked to explain this change in name, Elon Musk replied, "Explain these nuts," and then dabbed like it was still 2016. Okay, so obviously fake news is everywhere nowadays, and you gotta look out for it. You know, you gotta check your sources, you don't just believe things you saw on a screenshot. But it's also very easy to make your own fake news, and that's what I'm gonna show you how to do right now. Have you ever been wanting to make one of those fake screenshots that say like the earth is flat and vaccines cause autism and shit like that? But you're worried about matching the font and getting everything to line up and look right and look professional like a real news site? Well, I have an easy way to do that where it'll look believable every time as long as what you write isn't too stupid. So we're going to be using Firefox for this. If you're a Google Chrome user, I don't know if this will work or not. I know Google Chrome users need to troll too, but I just don't approve of their lifestyle. So you do a Google search for whatever topic you want this to be about. I did Trump. And you want to find an article that ideally has a picture and a little bit of headline and a little bit of body. I mean, you don't need to do that every time, but this really hammers it home. So what you're going to want to do is right-click and go down to Inspect here. And as you can see, as you hover over things down here, it highlights them up top to show what it corresponds to. And you're going to want to click the three dots, and you're going to want to look inside these menus, inside of other menus. You can always expand or unexpand them from clicking the three dots. And eventually you'll see something where it has the text from up there and it highlights up there. Now you've found where the headline is. So you can replace that with whatever you want. You just double click on it and start typing. Then you just press enter. See? Now it's a much better headline. And you can do that with the authors or whatever too. If the authors are well known, it might help you cover your tracks. Probably not. We could do this part too. Let's see. As you can see, it can be a bit of a search. You just got to click through menus and submenus and all that, and whenever you're on the right track, the general area you're looking to edit will be highlighted. Okay, so there we go, and then we go on down. So this one, as you can see, has each paragraph has its own thing, but that's, I mean, that's fine. It's just a little extra work. But yeah, so now what you're going to want to do, you have a believable news article. Well, I mean, maybe not if you type shit like what I did. So what you're going to want to do is open up a tool called Snipping Tool, which comes with Windows, and it'll let you draw like a little box over this. You can crop out just the part you want, and it'll let you save that as a picture. And then what you do is you just go post it somewhere that has a bunch of gullible bastards on it. I would suggest for Trump and Elon Musk related stuff, I would suggest making an account on Truth Social. That's full of just the most gullible butt monkeys on the entire internet. You can easily hoax those people. They don't fact check anything. So you can post some shit You can say that, like, Elon Musk is secretly planning to kill Donald Trump. You can do all kinds of shit, and they'll just believe it. It'll, like, it'll fuck their shit up. Anyway, happy trolling and hoax responsibly. You can't stump the Trump. No, you cannot stump the Trump. I love Donald Trump and that big old juicy rump. You can't